This is my little aroma diffuser that I've got here for my car. Got my some essential oil up here. So all it is a little ball that's in a cup, and it sticks onto your, God, it's hard to do this with one hand, especially your left hand in the car. Hold on a sec. All right, it's good now. So all you do with this is take some essential oil and pour it onto your ball here. Luckily, this has a stopper thingy on it, so it won't go too much out of control. And I just like to saturate this like so. Oh, it's already starting to smell good. This is just rosemary essential oil. Okay, I'm going to pause the video now while I put this away because I'm only one-handed. Okay, and now the car is on and the wind, the vent is coming out, and all that wonderful essential oil is just hitting me very gently in the face. And I really love this gadget because you can control what scents you want, the quality of the scents you want. And I love that it's a very natural looking thing. I get a lot of compliments about this, that people wonder what it is. They can't quite make it out at first glance. But it is a type of aroma diffuser. Don't want to get my hands too sticky here, but you can see it sits quite nicely. Now, the only problem with this, I have to say it's happened just one occasion, but it might happen more with depending on who you are. If you rattle around and somebody plays with it, this ball can come flying out of the socket, and then you have to retrieve it somewhere on the floor. But that's the only negative I found with it. It's great. Recommend.